this, there's always two reasons for doing something. The reason that sounds good, which we were told is about drugs and drug lords and drugs coming into the United States. And the second is the real reason. Venezuela holds the world's largest oil reserves. And the leader said it himself. This is what they are after. This is what they want. And this is what they claim is theirs. That being said, we look at, as traders, we don't know how this is going to react on the stock market. So we prepare, because nobody knows what's going to happen. So we prepare. What we can see from a technical analysis standpoint is, here's the month of December, a 30-minute chart. There are 13 30-minute candles per day. So 13 30-minute candles per day on this chart. So this shows the month of December, and here's January. January 5th will be on Monday. What we can see on a technical aspect is price has closed its cup and formed a handle. So as of now, this is a bullish structure. We don't know what the news will bring, so we prepare. If it's going to be bullish, you're going to see the handle bust out of its cup and continue north. So the stock market will go higher. On the flip side, we prepare for, if the market reacts negatively to this news, you will see the bears come in, and if they sell off the market, the bears will close the cup. We call this an inverse cup or upside down cup. And this will now turn into a bearish structure. From here, you'll look for a handle to form and then price to head down. So on a technical analysis standpoint, we prepare for both scenarios. We do not know what's going to happen, but come Monday morning and Tuesday and the rest of the week, we will see some volatility. We will see some swings in the market. That is for sure. So just a quick little video of how fundamental news affects the technical analysis and the markets and your 401k.